Hey James, thanks for joining me at the WellPower Dahlia campus this morning. Excited to talk a little bit about what we've been up to. What is something that people should know about WellPower?
Well, there's not just one thing that people should know about WellPower because WellPower provides an array of service as a comprehensive safety net provider. We provide therapy services, we have crisis services where we partner with the community, the Denver Police Department, as well as paramedics. We provide job training, we have education training, we have resource centers where we provide clothing, food, other supplies.
Wow, so WellPower really does such a huge array of services, not just case management and therapy.
Yes, so our goal is to basically meet people where they're at and address social determinants of health. And when you meet people where they're at, then they determine what their well-being looks like and what their recovery looks like.
WellPower has been navigating a lot of changes lately. What's something that's been keeping the WellPower leadership team up at night?
Well, there are multiple things that are keeping us up at night. At the federal level, we're concerned about the Medicaid cuts that potentially have a cascading effect from the federal level down to the state level that's keeping us up. Those cuts will impact a large portion of the folks that we serve because we serve many folks who their primary coverage is Medicaid insurance. At the state level, what we're concerned about is the budget deficit, and that will have an impact on community safety net providers such as WellPower, along with other community safety net providers as well. And we just truly don't know what those impacts are yet. So we're in a wait and see game until we figure out how those things are going to be implemented.
Well, thanks so much for letting us know about the different things that are going on. Something I really appreciate is that you shared that WellPower is working on responding instead of reacting, and I think that's just helpful to know as we provide services to folks. WellPower is always looking for ways to support the community. What's some things that we've been doing the last 6 months that are exciting?
So one of the most exciting things is we have brought to completion a 60-unit supportive housing building on Sheridan on 10th. This is WellPower's small way of trying to address our unhoused crisis here in the state of Colorado. That came to completion in May, and since May, we have fully occupied that entire building. So we've had many folks from the community involved, so elected officials who help support this program, state agencies who help support this program, as well as the neighborhood association help supported this program, other investors as well. So that shows that when we come together as a community, we can accomplish great things. There have been evidence-based practices to show that if people are housed, it has a positive ripple effect amongst other areas of their life as well. And then folks can focus on some of the other things that I mentioned about job training, education. They can really start thinking about those things.
Yeah, and what a game changer that is for those 60 people and probably their loved ones too, to know that they're in a safe place and that they're getting all the support they need for more success in the future. For people watching this who want to get involved and help support WellPower, what are some ways that they can do that?
People can go to wellpower.org/support. There are opportunities to be able to donate, cash donations. There are opportunities to volunteer, but one of the biggest pieces is around the public policy and call to action. We need the community support to communicate the message of how important mental health is, and funding going into a community safety net provider such as ourselves.
Yeah, so a lot of opportunity for people to get involved, kind of no matter what they can offer. If they want to get involved, we have a place for them.
We have a place for them if they want to get involved.